Well, welcome back. Rigor from Rigor's Garage and Boat Basin. We're back here with episode 33 on the Grady White. Today we're putting foam back in. If you thought Microsoft software updates were boring, foam takes the cake. And we're also putting in new wood to hold the foam in place. I hope you enjoy the episode. If you do, please like and subscribe. Okay. So I'm going to use FGCI expanding foam. It's two parts, A and B. You can see this is part A. And this is part B. Now what I'm going to do is fill up this hole, this foam I took out over here with new foam. So I get this all apart. Now it's two parts. For the time being, I'm going to mix up a total of 8 ounces. So half a cup of part B. According to this, when you pour it in, you've got like 5 seconds to mix up this foam. So there's part B. And now I'm going to pour in part A and then dump it in the hole over there. It turns kind of yellow when you mix it up. It goes from brown and a clear liquid. Looks like it's starting to foam. Well, I don't know if it's exciting or not. I guess I'll mix up some more. kind of turns into a coffee with cream mixture. Well, it's foaming up down there. It's starting to foam. I think I'll stand back. I don't know how big this thing's going to get. Haven't heard that line since high school, but we'll see what happens. I don't know how exciting foam is. So this is my third batch. I've mixed up 24 ounces of foam. As soon as it gets to the coffee with cream color, it seems to start working. Well, it appears to be half full. I think I can safely mix up another 8 ounces of foam. Let's mix up some more. Is it bubbling? Huh. Not exactly a witch's cauldron. got a feeling this is the last, based on the foam that's coming up there, this is probably the last that I'll need. That means 32 ounces of foam, or 1 pint. Let's see what happens. Well, it's bubbling. You can hear it. Yep, I think based on this, probably another 8 ounces. That'd bring it up to 40 ounces. Let me mix up another cup. I think it's time for a new glass. So this is the new piece of wood going in under the deck. I put 1708 on one side, and as suggested by one of my viewers, 2 coats of resin seems to work out well. So now I'm going to grind off the excess at the edges, flip it over, and do the other side. Well, it's a little windy here today. I've put the floor back in now that the foam is in. I used structural repair pretty, and away it goes. Next thing I'm doing, I put in the structure here. You can see I'm tabbing in the new piece of wood here. Next thing will be, I've got to take out this section of flooring so I can update the drains, and I've got to do the drains before I can fill in the put in the new foam in this area. So right now the big thing is putting in tabbing. I'm doing both top and bottom. I've got to put in tabbing in this hold. I've ground down, for example, right here, I've ground down a lot of the wood. Just keep on doing the tabbing, and that's the direction. Okay, this is it for the week. I've got this new stringer in, and it's tabbed in. I've got to keep on tabbing around this side, both on top and bottom. I'm right now waiting for this to cure. Next week, the project is going to be putting in this section of floor. You can see I already started making the cardboard template. I need to finish that and put in a piece of floor. And of course, on the starboard side, take out this piece of floor. That's the game plan. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. If you did enjoy this week's episode, please like and subscribe, and of course, thanks for watching.